Matt, you've got 15 minutes on your first course, please.
Yes.
Matt's Canon of lamb. I personally like it quite rare, quite pink.
Dauphinoise potatoes, hopefully it's cheesy, creamy.
The courgette puree really needs to be silky smooth. We'll see.
Morel mushrooms to go on, sauce to go on.
Yes. Very good. Very, very good. A garlic oil.
Oh, that's like green ink. Beautiful. Go, you've still got to row the last 10 metres. Come on.
I am serving Canon of lamb, morel mushrooms on the top, the courgette puree, goat's cheese with a wild garlic oil, a Roscoff onion, and there's a Dauphinoise potato in the pot.
Thank you.
It's a beautiful plate. For me, the cooking of the lamb is nicely pink.
The courgette puree is delightful, love it. There is so much flavour in that Dauphinoise. You can get the cheese out of it, it's strong, it's punchy.
All in all, he's displayed some great skill.
That Canon of lamb has no fat, so it could do with a little bit more seasoning. However, it's very, very good. And in the time allotted, I am really, really impressed.
There's some very, very good work on this plate.
Way! Come on!
Financier with custard, yeah, delicious. It's a lovely little elegant cake, so hopefully it will be delivered as such.
I always poach my pears whole and put them in. Hopefully the pears are cooked through.
I like my custard really thick and lovely, and well, I like proper school dinner custard.
Just your custard to strain.
Just the custard, just taking out any lumps, make it velvety smooth.
Really impressed. I hope that tastes as good as it looks.
This is a pear and almond financier. It is served with custard.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
The pear's poached quite well. Isn't kind of overcooked to the point of being really watery.
The custard has a nice vanilla flavour to it. I probably would have liked mine a little bit more thicker and a bit more smoother.
The pastry, I can't taste enough almonds there. And it tastes good, but I'm not blown away by it.
He's curdled his custard.
Oh.
Which is a shame, because I think the rest of the dessert's very, very good indeed.
Beautiful pastry, like the almonds, beautifully poached pear.
That was a lot to do. I had to push really hard. It felt good, but God, it was hard work.